The PLR Stack 2022. There was one last year, and if you missed it, here's your second chance. This is one of the best things you should get. If you love PLR, you'll love this. I'm Brian Toder with PLR Ideas, where I talk about PLR, use PLR, and how to make money with PLR. And be sure to get my PLR checklist. There's a link in the description. Click on it, get to this page, and get this amazing checklist on how to find the best PLR, how to create products and make money with PLR. Chad Elliser has come up with another amazing stack. What a stack is, when he pulls together the best of the best PLR vendors, producers, creators, and offers this for you for $27. You get 35 plus vendors, producers, etc., including me, where for $27 you get all this PLR and products, and I'll show you what they are. Really, when I tell you to get this, because when it's gone, it'll be done and gone. You won't be able to get this after a few days. So this is your chance. There's Jimmy D. Brown. He's the guy who invented PLR. And this is a PLR product called Affiliate Mails. It's really sold at $97. And for this, it's part of the package. You buy the whole thing for $27 and you get everything. This is one from Alice Seba, one of my favorite PLR producers. Love her. Great. There's stuff from Kevin Fahey. Here's something for Audacity. And if you use Audacity, this will show you how to use it. This is a PLR product. One of the best, Charles Terrence Harper, has a course in here. I know this course is worth more than $27. Remember, for a stack, $27, you get everything on this page. And this is just the first few. So I'm just going to go through this. And I'm not going to show you the entire page. But look at all this stuff. Wonderful. Some of the best. For $27, if you don't get this, I don't know what to tell you. There's more. More and more. And all the way to the bottom of the page, I even had one in here. That one. All right. You get my bonuses too. And my bonus for you, when you click on the link in the description, you get this. It's the PLR Checklist Kickstart. Click on that link, get the PLR Stack, and this is your bonus for you from me. And the second bonus is, how can I help you in your internet business? You have questions with PLR? I'll talk to you on screen, on a phone, carrier pigeon, whatever you want. I'm here to help you. That's what I'm here for. There are two OTOs. The first one, I'm just telling you, get this. If you don't have e-cover authority, you're missing out. You can create ebooks that are just stunning, easy to make. I've made probably close to 100 products with this. It's so inexpensive. Get the OTO number one. Honestly, you won't regret this. OTO number two is the White Label Masterclass. It's not cheap, but it's one of the best courses on how to use PLR and producing real products with white label products. If you need it, get it. Seriously. This whole thing, this PLR Stack 2022, is one of the best values for $27. Even the upsells are great. And you never hear me say that. So click on that link below this video. Get my bonuses. Get everything. If you have any questions, you know how to find me. I'm Brian Toder with PLR Ideas, where I talk about PLR, use PLR, and how to make money with PLR. We'll talk soon.